All right, good morning, everybody. Shane here from the Brookings Home Team, powered by Century 21. And as normal, it's Monday. It's 8:15, and I've got this hunk of a guy here. Can I say that?
Yeah,
I don't know if I can say that. That's kind of creepy. I think that's kind of creepy. Mark Waterman here from Great Western Bank, our Monday morning mortgage tip. And so as you guys are jumping on here, please let us know. Give us a heart, a thumbs up. If you have any questions for us, please enter that information down below here or wherever your device allows you to see it. And feel free to share this video with anybody else you think would benefit from it. So, got that stuff out of the way. What is the tip for today, Mark?
So, change gears a little bit, Shane.
Okay.
I am going to talk about refinancing.
Okay.
So, not the normal tip on the home buying process, but just like somebody might work with you multiple times, buying and selling houses, they might work with their lender more than once if a refinance situation comes up. So, a couple different reasons as to why you might refinance. One is a cash out refinance. And then one is a rate term refinance. So the rate term is simply if a better rate or maybe a better term should come up, maybe you can refinance, and that's more advantageous to save money over the course of a period of time. Okay. The other reason would be to actually, just like the name says, like cash out refinance, where you're actually taking some of the equity out in cash. Or consolidating debt. Maybe you're going to take cash out to fix up your house to sell it down the road, and putting some of that equity back into it. But as far as kind of what we've seen lately, from 2018 to even now, a year later, rates have dropped for the most part across the board, a percent or so, to where on a $250,000 loan, you might be, that 1% might be reducing your payment about $150 just in interest. So doesn't take long for it to pay for itself, but every situation and everybody's financial situation is different. I would encourage any homeowner to contact their lender and kind of just put a pencil to it and just see if it makes sense for their situation as to what they have going on and how long they're going to be in their house.
And you mentioned maybe a PMI too is a big piece that they could save if you get, was it 80% or below?
Correct, exactly. So maybe they buy their house and they're above that 80% threshold. As time goes on, hopefully your house appreciates and then your loan is decreasing as you're making payments, to where maybe when you refinance, you can be in a situation where you can get rid of the private mortgage insurance, and you're saving money instantly at that point.
Yeah, and putting $250,000 example together, you could be $200 or more a month.
Absolutely, yep.
So, and if you do that, you have to take Mark out for supper because he saved you over $2,000 a year there, potentially.
Yeah,
so,
no, that's not true, but yeah. But absolutely, in all honesty, it can be a real saver, and it doesn't take a lot on that interest rate to start saving a lot of dollars. So. Exactly,
you bet. Well, like you said, we switched gears a little bit this morning here. So talking about refinancing, if you need to do that, he's been busy with that here, guys. The interest rates are dropping there, and there's some good opportunity for you to take advantage of that. So we don't necessarily talk about selling your home all the time. We want to just save you guys some money at the end of the day. So give Mark a call. I'll have all of his information on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see that.
One last thing, the Bobcat Backer Golf Tournament is this weekend. We're still looking for teams to sign up for that to support Brookings Athletics.
You bet. And actually I'm sponsoring that too, so
yep,
got a piece
absolutely.
in there. So, all right, if you have any more questions for Mark, feel free to reach out to him at any time. Message us here, as I mentioned before. And again, feel free to share this video with anybody else you think would benefit from it. So thanks again, guys, for watching. We'll be back next Monday for our next Monday morning mortgage tip. Till then, have a great week. We'll see you.
Thank you.